Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Fife Council tax account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar, and type in FiveCons text login and hit search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.five.gov. UK. Just click on that first link. Now, you will be redirected to the official website of Five. Now, just click on the Sign in to Five.gov. UK button. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of the Five. Now, we just need to click on the Continue button. Then again, you'll enter your password there. Once you click on the Sign in button, then you'll easily access your account. If you need any help, just click on Need Help. That's much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notifications so you never miss the uploads. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.